Why are married women heavier than single women? Single women come home, look and see what's in the fridge and go to bed. Married women come home, look what's in bed and go to the fridge. You're welcome. Looks a little different, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
The snow's gone.
Yes. And this is why we didn't shovel all of the snow. Somebody told me to stop being so lazy and standing around and shovel the snow while he was doing stuff.
Wow, you were just waiting to say that.
Yeah, it just came out. So anyway, this is why. I knew that rain was coming and it would wash it all away.
Yeah.
So I like to work smarter, not harder.
Yeah, yeah.
Anyway, it's gone for now. It'll be back in a few days, but right now the floor looks wonderful.
It's cool. This stuff here holds up nice.
Yeah.
There's some like sawdust rosin to it and stuff. But
That's from cutting right there, yeah.
yeah. So we're gonna mark out. We were gonna do 15-foot walls, so now we're gonna. But we actually have all 10-footers. So we're gonna go with 10. So we're just gonna do 3 10s on the side. Just keep going with that, leaving the piece out, and then putting the piece of leaving the piece of plywood out in between each one.
Yeah.
Just putting a couple sheets on each one, and then it'll all strengthen it up, and it'll be good.
It just was a lot easier too for just the two of us lifting it than like a whole 20-foot wall that's sheathed. Oh, there's stuff there. Is this the bottom one? Yeah?
Pardon me?
So that goes on the bottom, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the 10-foot.
So we'll get a couple of these. Here you want to see?
Yeah.
All right, we'll chalk this line.
Okay.
Nice piece of ice there.
Yeah.
Hopefully that piece of ice is out of the way.
I know, that's what I thought.
Oh, we're good. Want to snap your? No, you're good anyway.
No, it was good, yeah.
Yeah, we were on the inside of it.
Yeah, oh, right, the ice. So are you only going to put one piece, I wonder, of sheathing right in the middle? Because you have to leave this end open for here. And do you need to leave that end open to connect there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, so we're gonna lay the studs out for this wall here now. Before I do that, I just want to tell you about Keepin It Dutch. Good buddy of mine who I've been chatting with for the last few years here on YouTube. Anyways, he's building, he sold his house, building a new off-grid place. So doing the same kind of stuff we're doing. And you know, so the content correlates. So you want to go check him out. I was in the Army, he was in the Marines, so you got to stick together. So go check him out, and he's doing the same kind of stuff. Laid back, cool family. Guaranteed you'll like them. So I'll put the links down below in the description box. I'll also pin it to the top of this page so you can go check him out. And man, you'll be happy with his content. He's got bunkers, all kinds of stuff he's done over the years. He's building, has farm animals, things like that. So definitely go check him out. You'll like him. And we're gonna go continue to build this wall. And he's a former Marine, so support the vets. Let's build this wall.
Your wood's bowed.
Just got a curve in my wood.
Yeah.
Ooh, she's sliding all around.
Slippery.
fingertips.
Frozen.
Here, I'll check the square on her.
Can't possibly be square. You wouldn't think, because that end
Can you
looks
go
tighter.
there?
Yes.
It's definitely not square.
Yeah.
This top's gotta go this way, hey?
Yeah.
All right. Good there?
Yes.
Yeah. We're quite a ways out. We'll just tack a nail there.
Oh, right. Yeah. Can we just do it with the nail gun?
No, I'll just tack a small nail there.
Oh, okay.
But I'll just check it first. Just try not to hit the wall.
Yes, right. Tell me when.
Yeah, all right. Good?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're good there.
Try not to hit the wall. I'll kick it.
I'll just tack that corner.
Okay.
I gotta build a little temporary set of steps to get up here. All right, throw a sheet of plywood on it.
All right.
Remember that commercial with the guy? He would go through all the saws. It was in the 90s, and he cut his arm off.
I am Astar, a robot. I can put my arm back on. You can't.
What the frig?
It
No.
was like a robot, like a gold robot. It was
No.
about working safe as kids or something.
Oh.
Anyways, he would cut his arm off with this big saw. And then he'd be like, I can put my arm back on. You can't. And he was saying about working safe.
Yeah.
I thought of that about the icer. Like, the icer helps the locks, but it makes me cold.
Yeah. No, I don't know.
Anyways, that's the thought for the day. Hey?
So slippery. Yeah. That is a good thought. Whew, frig, it's slippery.
Yeah.
Holy mackerel.
That top, I forgot to look at that. The top's good, eh?
It's not like flush. It's in a little towards you. Does that matter?
No, that's all right.
Yeah.
That's all right.
Yeah.
I just want it down over here. That stuff there
Yeah.
will all be under the soffit.
Yeah.
So I just kick it this way to cover that little seam.
Yeah. Gotta dance to stay warm.
Yeah.
Alrighty. You want me to get in here?
Sure, this one here probably be pretty light.
We'll go to lift it and I'll get all caught up in this thing.
Yeah.
Get it stuck. Ah!
Ready?
I guess so. As ready as I'll ever be. Oh, wow. That was easy. Basically, I have a brace right there. Is nice.
I know, it's nice, eh?
Yeah. I think I'm in the air. I think it's because of that damn nail.
So it's kind of holding it here, too.
Whack me in the knee.
That'd be funny. That's good there.
And here.
You're good there?
Yep.
All right. Looks good here.
Yeah.
Is this up? Oh, yeah, there's
Still.
a nail under there.
Yeah.
Did you hold it, you think, or no?
Try,
If
yeah.
not, I can. Well, if you can't, then it's not going to be any good.
Yeah.
I could probably hold it. You could pull that out.
Okay. How did we not see it beforehand, eh? Oh yeah, frig, eh? Shoot.
You got enough room?
I'm just gonna see if I can get in there. I had it.
Can you get it?
Yes, yep. It's coming. There. She go.
Nice.
Oh, you already pushed the wall back in place? Nice. Nice, bud. Way to go, strongest man ever.
Go on in there now.
Oh,
Oh, this here's probably out.
yeah, right.
Oh, this is still sitting up there a bit.
Woo!
There we go.
There you go.
It's just kind of
was
up
easy.
against it. That's way better. Now it
Yeah.
could be a little bit of both.
Then
Let's
I
just
see
kinda
the-
come together. Yeah, it's mostly probably this back one's gonna come to it when we knock the brace off.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is, for sure. All right, I'll pull the brace
Yep.
back.
Do you want me down there to check the level, or?
You can check it from in there.
Yeah. Like, do I go on the plywood? What do I go
No,
on?
you go on the stud.
This thing.
It should be in tight to the thing, really.
Oh, yeah,
is it
it
tight to
is.
the wall?
Almost. Yeah. There. Now it is.
Good?
Yeah. What's that?
It's pretty handy, eh?
I think so.
Yep. This one here had to be pushed that way a tiny bit, so
Yep.
it'll work out good. Nice.
Now what?
Uh,
Do the floor at the bottom.
I'd like to get these here two together, but
Yep.
and then throw that brace on.
Okay.
At least just tack it to it.
Yeah.
And then we'll pull that brace out that way.
Okay. I'll stand over here.
Yeah, you want to push in? Yeah. Oh yeah, it's good. Looks like there's a joist here somewhere, eh?
Probably. Gonna
Watch,
reach.
that's probably too far.
That's what I was just
I have a longer one. I'll go
right
grab that.
there.
Right. So thinking about a joist, eh?
Yeah. Put it in the middle of nowhere.
We could always pop that and move it.
Yeah.
That'd be better.
Yeah.
Freaking bonehead.
Yeah.
Okay, hey.
Oh, gee, that's way easier. Guess I'm a bonehead too.
Yeah, remember the things we used to show?
The idiot?
Idiot.
Stupid idiot in the
Yeah.
dictionary?
Yeah.
Yeah. Make sure you're close enough.
We should be now.
I'll hold it and see if we can start nailing them in. Nope, you're not.
Stupid, stupid, stupid.
Oh, Lord help me.
No!
Friggin' rig. That's why we use a nail gun.
So slippery.
Yeah. No, you need a new piece? You can use this piece?
I'm using this friggin' one.
Yeah.
I'll make it work.
Yeah.
Good enough.
Okay.
Just a freaking brace.
Yeah, I know, right? I don't care who we are. Top could come out a bit anyway.
Top's gotta go out
Like towards you.
to me then.
Yeah, that's what I meant. There, that's perfect.
That's good?
Yeah.
Well, hopefully a blue jay doesn't fly by.
Yeah.
All right, let's fire a few nails in here.
Yeah.
Cool.
Beauty.
Nice to sneak in here and get something done in between rain and snow.
You're right.
Hey,
Yeah.
this is cool.
Yeah.
We're
Now we
able to-
have 2 sections. Well,
Yeah.
like it started.
It's starting to feel like a little bit of a cabin even more now.
Yeah, it's
So you
cool.
get like a little corner. It's
yeah.
cool.
And
So
if you
it's coming together.
yeah, and if you didn't see the other 2 walls go up, you can find them up here.
Also, again, go check out Keepin' It Dutch.
Mm-hmm.
Links are down below for that. He was a Marine again,
Yeah.
so check him out. He's building off grid, doing all that. Great family, all that cool stuff. Right?
Yeah, for
Yeah.
sure.
So let's go warm our hands up.
And I'm frozen. All right. See ya.